heading her back down to the river. It's been, I don't know, a couple weeks and we've been down here. Water level has dropped quite a bit. So hopefully the bite will be a little better than before. Can't be any worse. We wouldn't have any fish landed, but I bet the water level's dropped a good 4 or 5 feet. Temperature's warmed up some, so we're gonna hit her hard here in the evening. See if we can't catch anything. Ah, what a beautiful night to be on the river. Sun's out, warm out, no wind. Perfect couple hours down here to spend after an honest day's work. Hopefully we can hook onto a couple smallmouth. Beautiful down here. Ducks flying in. Using the old reliable again. I know the past few videos I say it's unbeatable, but it's unbeatable. Good old Thomas copper reel. I've caught in just about everything but the Loch Ness Monster on it. And that ain't a joke. Hard to find up here nowadays. I gotta go down to southern Maine. We take road trips down to Kittery. I buy 15, 20 of them at a time just so I can have them. About another month or so, this place is going to be about another 8 to 10 feet lower than it is now. It's crazy how much the water dumps out of here, even with all this rain. Alright, I've always been a skeptic of these soft lures. See all these Bassmasters catching everything with. So I finally broke down and bought a package. I've always been a hard lure kind of guy my entire life, because I know what works for me, and I've never really had good luck, but I got a decent deal on these at Martin's. So we're gonna do the unthinkable and tie one of these bad boys on, see if we can't jig a little slower on the bottom where it's still fairly early spring for these bass, and see if we can get one that's a little hungry. Looks pretty appetizing to me. Alright, we got that bad Larry tied on. Let's see if we can get something out of here. It's a little shallow bedding pool. Just gonna work him right across the bottom ever so slowly. Little eddy right here. Might just be a fish. That's the spot. Well, I didn't lose it. I actually got it back, you believe it? Come in with a pile of weeds on the treble hook. It's a little shallower than I kind of expected up this way, but at least we didn't lose our lure. What do you guys like to use for lures anyways, down bass fishing or whatever? I've already given you plenty of my input on what I like to do and haven't had good luck on, but leave down in the comments what you guys have good luck on and where you guys go fishing, and any comments or whatever you want to leave down there. I'm not asking for your secret spots, but cool to get a little chat going. Everybody's got their own preference when it comes to everything. One of these days coming up next week, if it ain't too raining out, I'd like to do some quote-unquote urban fishing through Bangor here, through downtown, all the little channels or whatever that run through the city, dump into the stream, or the river, excuse me, stream dump into the river there. It'd be a pretty cool little time. See if we can't get some people looking at us. Well, what the hell is he doing down here fishing? He's gonna catch a shopping cart. There ain't no fish down here, but you don't know till you try. Get your line wet, because you never know what you might catch. See a lot of people doing Google Earth searches for these little random spots along the road and out behind the Walmart and all that. I'd like to take a peek at that one of these days. See if I can't find some more stuff around Bangor Brewer area that's kind of off the beaten path that you really wouldn't know was there. You never know. Might produce some fish. We'll see. But the channel's still pretty new. Trying my damnedest to get out, and when I can, after work, on lunch break, bringing you guys some decent fishing content. I mean, I've been doing it my whole life, and now that I started filming it, I can't seem to catch cold, let alone a bass, brook trout, salmon, whatever. But it's definitely how it works. People watching you, and you can't make anything happen. But we're trying. We're getting out there, giving it a shot. Work gets in the way, but you gotta save time for some play too. So have a beer, grab your rod, hop in your truck, go down your local watering hole, and see if you can't catch your own river monster. Well, I just hooked onto somebody else's line with my lure, and guess what? I just got me a free lure. It's a good part of the river. As the water level goes down, I mean, it ain't made of much, but I'll take it. A little gummy perch looking. Yeah, we'll throw it in the old box and add to the collection, I suppose.